Yamaha SR400 Limited Edition 44th Anniversary bike released in Thailand. It's a Thai exclusive, and comes with a special 44th Anniversary commemorative gift box. Time comes for us all. And that's especially true if you're a motorcycle. Either a given model evolves to stay current, or it eventually falls by the wayside as expectations and regulations change. Take the Yamaha SR400. In late August 2022, Thai Yamaha announced an extremely special, limited edition 44th Anniversary State Route 400, for exclusive release in the rare country where it's still available as a new model. If nostalgia is your drug of choice, then you'll find plenty to appreciate about the Yamaha SR400 Limited Edition Black Gold. First of all, fans familiar with the SR400's history will note the colorway, specially chosen by Yamaha because it's the same colorway found on that first 1978 State Route 400 release. The classic aesthetic is sensationally crisp, if that's your thing. It's powered by a 399cc 4-stroke, air-cooled, single overhead cam engine with 2 valves. And bore and stroke of 87.0mm by 67.2mm. This special SR400 makes a claimed 17.1 kilowatts, or 22.9 horsepower, at 6,500 revolutions per minute, alongside 27.4 Newton-meters, 20.2 pound-feet, of torque at 3,000 revolutions per minute. To start it, you can only use a kickstarter, no electric start here. However, its one concession to modernity is fuel injection. So you won't have to worry about fiddling with a tiny and adorable carburetor. Suspension consists of a standard telescopic fork up front, as well as a pair of dual shocks in the rear. Stopping power comes from a 298mm hydraulic disc brake setup in the front, and a drum brake in the rear. The SR400 rides on spoke 18-inch wheels and, of course, tube-type tires. Wheelbase is 1,410mm, length is 2,085mm, width is 750mm, and height is 1,095mm. Seat height is solidly approachable at 785mm, or 30.9 inches. Curb weight is 174 kilograms, or 383.6 pounds. How limited is this limited edition? Yamaha will only be selling 400 of the 44th Anniversary SR400s in Thailand, each with a special numbered plaque on the bike that indicates where in the line that bike falls. Additionally, these bikes will come with an exclusive gift box set, featuring a commemorative engraved SR400 lighter and leather key fob inside the box. SRP for the SR400 Limited Edition Black Gold is 309,000 bahts, which works out to about $8,465 as of September 8, 2022. Full information about this special edition is listed as current on Thai Yamaha's website as of this date.